Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Incognito shortcut, the Incognito browser for Chrome shortcut on your desktop. So you can go right over here, open the start menu, go to G, drag Google Chrome to the screen. Okay, now you have a Google Chrome extension shortcut. Okay, you're going to right click on it, click properties. Okay, now by target, you're gonna go all the way to the end, make a space, and type in dash incognito. That's INCOGNITO. Okay, right there I typed it in, incognito, and press apply, and press OK. Now when I click on this, it will open straight to Incognito. As you can see there, I opened straight to Incognito. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll make these videos if you could subscribe. Please leave a like and share with all your friends, share on all social media. If you want to let me know anything, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you want me to make any other videos like this, please leave a comment in the discussion bar on my channel. Links to should be in the description if they are not. They're in the back section of my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.